Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Om Shankar Prajapati sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my friends. I am Harshit Gautam, pursuing my B.Tech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. My seminar topic is energy generation from municipal solid waste. This is going to be our list of contents. Firstly, the question arises that why do we need to generate the energy from municipal solid waste? Energy from municipal solid waste can provide a number of benefits, both environmental and economic. Firstly, renewable energy from municipal solid waste can help increase the use of renewable energy sources, which can help reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Then the greenhouse gas emission is very few, and it also helps with waste disposal. It also provides economic benefits through the sale of electricity of the use of the generated energy to offset energy costs for municipal facilities. Municipal solid waste is the waste generated by households, commercial establishments and institutions. It includes everything from food waste to plastics, papers and metal. Municipal solid waste has the potential to generate energy through various technologies that can convert it into electricity, heat or fuel. So, the several technologies that can be used to convert municipal solid waste into energy. First is incineration. This is the most common method of energy recovery from municipal solid waste. It involves burning waste at high temperatures to generate heat, which is then used to produce electricity or steam. The electricity energy is produced by a turbine connected to a generator and the heat by a district heating system. And this is the physical diagram of the incineration process. The second is gasification. This technology involves heating municipal solid waste in the absence of oxygen to produce syngas, which can be used as fuel for power generation or as a feedstock for chemical production. Gasification is more efficient than incineration, but it requires a higher capital investment. Gasification can reduce the waste mass by 70% and over 90% of the volume of waste. And this is the flow chart of the gasification. Third one is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is the thermal degradation of solid waste in the absence of oxygen. Pyrolysis has the potential to produce high quality fuels. Pyrolysis can process biomass and plastic materials. This is the physical diagram of pyrolysis process. And the last one is anaerobic digestion. This technology involves the breakdown of organic waste in the absence of the oxygen to produce biogas, which can be used as fuel or for electricity generation. Anaerobic digestion is a promising technology for municipal solid waste with high organic. It is classified as wet and dry anaerobic digestion. This is the anaerobic digestion process. Now we discuss the environmental impact of energy generation from municipal solid waste. So it reduces the greenhouse gas emission because municipal solid waste contains organic materials that can generate biogas through anaerobic digestion or produce energy through incineration. Biogas and energy generation from municipal solid waste can offset greenhouse gas emission, which can help mitigate climate change. And second one is waste reduction. Energy generation from municipal solid waste can also help reduce the volume of waste going to landfills, which can extend the line of existing landfills and reduce the need for new ones. This can help conserve natural resources and reduce the environmental impact of waste disposal. Now next is the water pollution. Improperly managed municipal solid waste can contribute to water pollution, especially when landfills are located near water sources. However, energy generation from municipal solid waste can reduce the volume of waste going to landfills and decrease the likelihood of water pollution incidents. And the last one is the land use. Landfills are common method for disposing of municipal solid waste, and they require large area of land for storage. Now we discuss future of generation energy from municipal solid waste. There will be advancements in waste to energy technologies, and also there will be government incentives and policies. Integration of energy recovery in waste management systems will be there, and public awareness will increase. So now we have reached on the conclusion of the topic. So if a country generate electricity by using these technologies, then it's one of the best economical problem solutions. Seen after all the problems around the world, work will start on this. The technology of generating electricity is well to show the environment clean. Still, there is a requirement to research to improve efficiency of it. So that was all about my seminar topic. Thank you.